Oh, there's a Jeep right there. Watch out. Watch out. Yo, what up?
What's up, dude?
Yo, Dre.
Yo, I'm right behind you. Run, man, run.
Yeah,
Go
we
in
don't
the
want no
building.
trouble, man.
Go in the building.
I swear to
Man.
God. Do you want a pistol or something?
I've used that line before, fuck.
What's that?
I said I've used that line before.
You what?
Just drop it.
No, man, I'm not an asshole. What are you doing? Come on, son. Come on in.
Yo, you want to go out the back or what?
Yeah. Is there even room in there for more?
Yeah. You guys want to roll with us?
Yeah, you wanna maybe hop in there and see where it brings us?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it.
Alright, get in.
Fucking dick, I knew it, you dick licker.
Oh shit! Run!
Oh, Dre, he almost got you.
Yo, come out this building, I'm gonna fucking kill you.
He almost got you.
No, we're just playing, get in.
Oh.
We're just playing. Come in our...
Yeah, I don't think our shit's gonna do anything. Maybe
Aim
try
for
to
the
get
tires.
the tire. Oh, nice shot, but no. Okay, Dre, you sneak out the back. I'll keep him occupied, and then I'll sneak out the back. Actually, fuck it, let's just go.
Wait. Okay, yeah, they're leaving. They're gone.
Alright. That was fucking hilarious. Dre was shooting the tires, but like, I don't think arrows, they don't do any damage to fucking cars. Oh fuck, Dre, watch out. Watch out!
Yo, where are you?
I'm behind you! Oh no, you got me, fuck!
No way.
No!
we killed your fucking friend.
Yo, fuck you guys.
Yeah,
Oh, they're Jeep smoking.
yeah, keep hitting it. Fuck you guys, you fucking lollygaggers.
Get out and kill him.
You got out. They're coming out for you. Too bad I can't see. Dre, I hope you fucking own these two fucking clowns.
Yo, just get to Bubba's.
Yo, you nuts suck. Quit sucking your daddy's nuts, fuck. Yeah. Talking to you, you little bitch.
Yo, easy to
Yo,
say
keep
when
distracting
you're
them.
dead, bitch.
Wow. Have a fist fight at the flagpole, 3 p.m.
You want a fist fight? 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. He's outside.
Yeah, they're coming for you. They're coming for you. He said he's outside. You still alive?
Yeah.
Nice, Dre. But the cars. Ah, my battery. Fuck. Oh, that was so close. Oh, that was too good. Oh, that was too good.
Yo, these guys are crazy, man.
Yeah. Alright. Well, I'm gonna have to respawn.
Yo, at least they're Jeep smoking now.
Yeah, I wonder if it's because of 120.
Oh, they got me.
No. Yeah, we need to figure out where we are.